Hello guys, in today's Python video, this is our class 3, and in this class 3 I am telling you about the Python syntax. So let's move the computer screen and let's do a coding. We're loving. So guys, in today's Python TSA and today's Python video, I am telling you about the Python syntax like I have told you into my introduction. So let's learn about the Python syntax. So let's learn about that. Execute Python syntax. As we learned in the previous page, Python syntax can be executed by writing directly in the command line, like that. But we do not write in command line, we write in our Visual Studio Code, like I told you in my previous video, like I told you how to download Python, how to install the Visual Studio Code. That's all thing I have told you into my previous video. So we are using a Visual Studio Code, so let's open it. First of all, I open my Visual Studio Code like that. Then what I can do, I make a file of Python. How to make a file? You can click onto the file here, then click onto the new file. Okay, file, new file. So this type of drop down menu has been opened on you. Here you can write like class 2.py. Why we write py? Py means Python. That's why we write like py. If you do not write py, so your Python file you can not make .py. You write .py. Okay, at the end. Then and enter press. Then where you are saving your file, desktop, document, download, music, anywhere you will be save your file. I am saving my file on my documents. Okay, on my documents I save my file and create. If you have create file, click on here. So your first Python file has been made it like that. Now what you can do, let me tell you. Now you can write here print hello world. Save here, save, control as, then run. Here you can see it, give me the hello world. Here you can see it. Now on this page, execute Python syntax, Python indentation, Python variables, Python comments, exercise, or by creating a Python file on a server using the .py file extension and running it in the command line. Like Python minefile.py, I told you in my Visual Studio Code, I am not using a command line, that's why I do not picking a file on command line. I have already made my file on my Visual Studio Code. Python indentation. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line, where in other programming language the indentation in code is for readability only. The indentation in Python is very important. Okay, when Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. For example, if you wrote like that, like let me tell you, you can go here, control A, then erase it. You write like if 5 greater than 2, then this, then what you can write, sorry, here I write like that, and here I write like print 5 is greater than 2. Save it and run code from here. You can also run, and from the terminal you had been also run, but I am running from here. Click it. So it give me 5 is greater than 2. Why it give me? Because I write like 5 then greater than 2. If I write here 2 is greater than 5, so it give you nothing output. Like let you see here again, 2 is greater than 5. You can see it. Now where we can go here. Okay, now Python will give you an error if you skip the indentation. Okay, if you skip the indentation, Python will give you the error. For example, if syntax error. Here is one syntax error. Let me see. Let me do it. Here you can see it. This is one error of indentation. Here you can see Python is giving you an error of indentation. If you give the space, so indentation has been gone, then it give you the output. Here you can see it. If I write here 2 and 5, should give you the nothing output. Here you can see it, because Python will be understand not 2 is not greater than 5. Here you can see it. Then if I erase it, should give you the error, because it is giving the indentation error. If I press enter, should not give you the indentation error, because indentation You can see it like that. You can div. The number of spaces is up to you as a programmer. The most common use in 4, but it has to be at least 1. For example, like that. Here you can see it. If I write this and then save it and run it, so it will give me 5 greater than 2, 5 greater than 2. Here you can see it. If I space here and then run it, and then I space it, here you can see it. Like if I give space till here and run it, so it give me like 5 is greater than 2, 5 is greater than 2. Like if I press space bar till here, so it give you the output, not give you the error. Here you can see it. If here I will be press backspace, so it give me the error. If I press backspace to the here, so it will be also give me the error. But if I give space here, and it is also give me the error. Here you can see this one indentation error it is giving you. You have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code, otherwise Python will give you an error. For example, syntax error, like I have told you. Python variables. In Python, variables are created when you assign a value to it. For example, variables in Python, x equals to 5, y equals to double commas, hello world. Python has no command for declaring a variable. You will learn more about variables in Python variables chapter, okay? And our Python variable chapter is very near to me. Comments. Python has commenting capability for the purpose of in-code documentation. Comments start with a hashtag, and Python will render the rest of the line as a comment. For example, comments in Python. Comments are defined like that. Here you can see it like that. Let me show you. First of all, you go here and you erase it. You write like hashtag this is a comment. Comment are defined like that. Here you can see it, hashtag, using the hashtag. And in the down, I write like print hello world. Here you can see it. Now, in the rest of the line, it gives you the output, and this line, it has been not given me the output. Here you can see it. And in the next video, we learn about the comment, okay? When I save and run it, should give me the hello world. If I make him also a comment using the hashtag, should not give me any output. Here you can see it, because it has been made the comment. Which things are comment, so Python will be ignore that thing, okay? And now here you can see it, and we learn more about the comments in the comment chapter. Our comment chapter are very near to me, because in the next chapter we learn about the comments, okay? Here you can see it. In today's class, I told you about the Python syntax. So now I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And now I appreciate your support through. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please tell your families and your friends of this course too. And if you do not check my playlist, whole playlist yet, so move on to the code devrayan.com or my YouTube channel, so you can easily access my playlist. So I meet you in next class where we learn about the Python comments. So for today, goodbye.